Hello. So today we are going to draw some lovely kites. Can you all see? We're going to draw decorative kites. So I'm pretty sure that you all also have flown a kite and all seen different colorful kites. Yeah. So today we are going to draw this shape. So you all know what this shape is. It is the diamond shape, right? So we are going to draw the kites on a portrait side. So I will put on this side. Okay. So you can see that I have drawn 3 kites. So the center one is slightly bigger and the 2 corner ones are a little smaller. So on the middle itself, we are going to draw the kite, which is a diamond shape. But first we are going to divide the lines like this. Okay. We're going to draw a cross, a shape of a cross like this. And then after that, you're going to connect it. Connect each side this way. So this is the biggest side. And then we are going to draw the next one in an angle, again across. And you connect it like this. So you can decorate the kite any way you like. You can have stripes, you can have triangles, you can have curvy lines, see, lines to an angle. So now we are going to decorate the kite like this. So I'm going to draw some stripes like this, some circles inside. If you all want, you can draw a shape of a heart. You can draw a flower kite, anything you like, okay? So this one, I want you all to draw on your own. You all don't need to copy what Auntie has drawn. You can draw your own. Okay, now we are going to draw the strings. So the center string is going to be like a wiggly, wiggly, wiggly line towards the bottom, right to the bottom of your paper. This one is going to be to the side and this one to the side again. Okay? Okay, and we are going to decorate the kites now like this. We are going to have some bows, some triangles, and some circles. So the bow is very easy to draw. You can draw a triangle on this side, another triangle on this side. So like that, you're going to draw it along this string. Okay? Like this. Then we are going to have a circle. Then we are going to have a triangle. Like this. Okay, and then we are going to decorate this with some streamers. So you can have some streamers like this. Then we can have streamers this side. Okay. And have some streamers like this. So these streamers, don't draw with the marker, darling, okay? You all can use colorful markers to draw these streamers if you all want to. Or once you are finished drawing everything, once you all outline all this, you all can use watercolors or pastel to draw these lines. So you all can see that you all don't have any, Auntie doesn't have any black marker lines here. I have all colored. So I've used watercolors for this. But if you don't have watercolors, you can use pastel lines, okay? Okay, so the kites are looking colorful once you color it in different colors, okay? So I want you to use a lot of vibrant colors and color the kite. Okay, so now moving on to the clouds, okay? I'll show you how to draw the clouds. So you're going to draw big ones, big scallops like this. You're going to draw big ones. Okay, so one on this side, another cloud on this side. If you want, you can add more clouds on this depending on the space that you have. So now on my paper here, I had space. So I had drawn few more clouds here. Or you can just leave to this one. Okay, see, I have drawn only 2 here. So now explaining how to color the clouds. See, you can see that I have colored with pastel. So I have outlined the cloud with a dark blue pastel. Okay. All around the scallop, you're going to use a dark blue color. And then after you use dark blue color, inside you're going to use a light blue color to outline the cloud. Same with this. Now this one here is a thick outline with a light blue color. If you want, you can draw this one or you can draw this cloud. Okay. So the kites are going to be colorful. You can choose your own colors. Once everything is done, you are going to draw these lines at the back. You can use orange and yellow for the top. So these are curvy lines, okay? Curvy lines like this. Okay? Curvy lines like this, okay? You can have orange lines, yellow lines towards the center of your paper. And from the center towards the bottom, you can use light blue curvy lines. Okay? Okay. So you all are going to send pictures of this. And I'm going to see how colorful your kites are going to look like. Okay. So have a nice day then. Take care. Send a lot of pictures. Bye.